Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to install and add a new font to your Photoshop. So with this being said, let's go ahead and open your browser, and then we click on font, English, and now we have so many websites. You can choose whatever from them. For example, let's choose this one, and from here you can find so many options of fonts. So for example, we choose whatever we want, like this one. We click on download, and then we have this file here. We click on it, and then we click on this file here. Now we click on install, and after a couple seconds it will be installed, like you saw. Now it is installed. Now we go to Photoshop, open it, and this tutorial, guys, will work on every single version of for Photoshop, so keep following my steps step by step. So now after it will open, we click on file, new, and you can from here choose whatever presets you want or templates you want. You can create your own template by choosing the width and height from here, like customizing it. For example, doing this like that, and click on create. Or if you have like already a PSD form file, you can just click on file and click on open, and you search for your file and it will be opened. So now let's click on plus and click on this left menu, click on text and add the text. For example, let's say hi YouTube. Now how do we change our font and check if our font is installed? Click on this, double click on the T, and then come here and let's check the name of the font again. It's Hazard 1, so we come here and we write Hazard 1. As you can see, it is installed and the font is ready to be used. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and see you at the next tutorial.